My lord, may I be permitted to mention, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Mukherjee, he has gone for a checkup to Coimbatore. There are few matters, my lord, item number 8, 15, 16, 18, 40 and 41. I'm giving the list, my lord. Only not today.
Not today.
Only not today.
Item number, please tell.
8,
8,
15,
15,
16,
16,
18,
18,
40 and 41.
দাদা তুমি মেনশন করবে
40 and 41. Not today, huh?
Only not.
Not today, Khali.
Pursuant to Lordship direction, upon notice, I am mentioning this matter. It is hearing matter, my lord. Exchange of affidavit is complete.
Lord, may I be permitted to mention 5 matters, revisional application which were filed by the state, challenging the order of the magistrate, whereby the magistrate has directed the specialized agency to investigate the matter. Lord, may it be included in the list.
Okay.
Pending since 2018.
So you have informed other side.
Lord, we are the petitioner. The state is the petitioner. On the behest of the state, the revision
Admission stage or hearing stage?
hearing stage.
Contested.
May it be included in the list. If your lordship can dispose of the matters.
No, I can dispose of, but what is the stage of the proceeding?
The stage, my lord, it is pending.
It was admitted.
Yes, my lord, it was that.
Inform other side
Lord,
also.
I will.
Madam, may I be permitted with notice on the contested application? With notice.
Contested application.
Lordship.
This hearing matter, Lordship. I have served to other side.
Regarding
In the pension matter, Lordship.
pension matter, read petition.
This
Hearing.
stage, Lordship.
May I be permitted, my
And
lord?
Lordship, one more, Lordship. Yesterday, your Lordship passed a similar order as per Shikha Mitra age of 60 years.
Yes.
Your Lordship included 3 numbers. 2 matters appearing in the list and 2 number your Lordship added in this order book. But 1 matter is appearing is not in the order sheet, Lordship. Cycle
Only
number
2
51
numbers has been given on that day. So only we have
appearing
included.
list on that day, Lordship. Last Wednesday, 51 and 52.
That will be in the list.
No, matter is not
Don't
being
worry,
listed. Matter is not being listed, Lordship.
not listed. So give
Last
the
Wednesday,
number,
your Lordship passed a similar order.
give
both
the
matters,
number that will be added.
51 and 52.
Please give the number that will be added.
May I be permitted, my lord?
That will be added. Yes.
Contempt application.
Contempt.
Contempt.
Contempt of whose order?
Your lordship orders to the 24th January
Yes.
2025.
Criminal revisional application, my lord, hearing stage of sub notice upon the other side.
My lord.
Extension.
Of interim order, my lord.
Have you served the copy to the other side?
No, my lord, no,
You
sir.
serve?
On 26, my
Only you
lord.
serve and come.
For destination, my lord.
You have served?
Hearing contested application for hearing upon notice I am mentioned.
Yes, yes.
My lord, upon notice I am mentioning, my lord,
For
hearing, my lord,
for hearing.
for hearing.
Revision or
My lord, writ petition, my lord,
writ petition.
writ petition. And this matter, my lord, some urgency is, my lord, involved in this matter. my lord.
Urgency, it will list. I only taking half day
My lord,
on
despite
Wednesday.
order of the Honorable Court, my lord, the Kolkata Municipal Corporation, my lord, published the, my lord, gradation list.
Let the matter be listed there after you mention if
My
urgency.
lord, criminal revisional application, the matter is at the hearing stage right now. We have served copies to the other side.
Yes, yes.
My lord, the criminal application for contested application. Serve the notice serve.
Call the
Item number 1, application.
This my application, my lord, restoration along with my lord, section 5, my lord. There is a delay of 1/4.
Who is other side?
I'm for the state.
Have you received the copy?
Actually, they've got this copy that is 1435 days.
It is a delay.
1435 days.
Why, my lord?
Would
This is
like to file opposition?
Lordship, actually,
during COVID period, is this got default.
they have cited that during COVID period. They have
Yes.
If you have no objection, I will allow. COVID period.
Lordship, maybe on
If
merit
you have
period.
objection, then I have to hear it out.
Yes, section 5, I think that is.
Maybe allowed. Okay. And what is the matter about? Original?
This matter about, my lord, regarding, my lord, the quashing of a, my lord, criminal proceedings, my lord. Dear, my lord, initially it was a stay granted by the Honorable Coordinate Bench, my lord. Subsequently, it was extended time to time. My lord, now the date is fixed before the another matters, my lord, pending before the, my lord, circuit bench, before the circuit bench, because it's a 2008 matters, so it has not been transferred. And another matter, there is a circuit bench, this is also been stayed. Now the
This is also circuit bench
before
matter.
trial court, it was fixed in the, my
This
lord.
is also circuit bench matter.
No, because
Kuch Bihar,
after
this
2000,
Kuch Bihar.
Kuch Bihar, ordinarily it can be, my lord, transferred to the circuit bench, but it is post 2009.
Oh,
Post
2000.
2000, it is prior 2009. So it not
It will
transferred.
be here.
So we are searched there. That is also the reason, my lord. My lord, kindly restore it in its original.
Two application has been moved. Firstly,
I'm grateful.
let this matter monthly list of change.
Item number 2, I am for the petitioner led by.
Yes. What is the application?
Application is for restoration of restoration.
Which other side?
I am appearing for that.
This is within time.
Monthly list, January.
Yes, ma'am.
Within time.
My lord.
And what is the main matter?
The main matter is related to setting aside of the order passed by the additional session judge, my lord, with the PWD Act, my lord.
Additional session was directed to pay 60,000 rupees as maintenance to his wife and daughter. They challenging
Milord.
that order, they filed the revision appeal.
That order was passed on the basis of affidavit. On the basis of affidavit,
No, my
without affidavit,
on that time, my lord,
there was no direction, no
passed
such
2020.
judgment was passed. When this order was passed,
18th February 2020, my lord.
you file affidavit then, both sides, in view of Neha judgment.
My lord, kindly restore the application and then we will do the next.
Okay. Let the matter appear in the monthly list of January. In the meantime, petitioner and opposite
Item number 3.
can you file by December?
January, my lord.
No, it will be late because this is a maintenance relating to maintenance matter. December you can file it. Where is the problem? Affidavit. Matter can be disposed of. Your wife? Husband. So you will make. So you have to file within December. January it will be late. January. Okay. Okay, both sides. Yes.
My lord, extension
Interim.
of interim order, my lord.
So ultimately you
My lord, that
get
one
the
got
chance.
cancelled. The one for which I was seeking an accommodation, my lord, that got adjourned. So I am before your lordship.
The main matter 2008.
2000. My lord, we will do it after vacation.
After vacation. Why? 2008 old matter.
My lord, this is with respect to 71A2 of Essential Commodities Act, my lord. 6 cylinders were found in the premises which belong to the employees.
So you can
My lord,
dispose it now. CD is there. His CD is there.
Gives a short date, let her
Short date.
short date.
Okay.
my lord, the interim order is still
Interim.
much obliged.
Cran
Second.
3. Cran 3 is disposed of. Huh? On the note.
19th of December.
Please note.
Much obliged, your lordship.
CD be produced on the urgent date.
वो तो दिल तो.
लिखे दो. CD be produced on the urgent date.
Much obliged.
Item number 4.
For my lord, I beg to appear before the respondent. At 4, there is no extension. Perhaps it has appeared wrongly under this heading. I would kindly have the pleasure to take up my lord's last order, which was passed by your lordship on the 19th of September. The extension was till 28th, and the matter was supposed to come back today in the normal heading. Perhaps my lord's officer
No,
missed
no,
out.
actually there is no given any date to appear.
My lord. So, my
That's
lord,
why.
so let that not be. This is for different.
So
My lord. Let there be, my lord.
when
Let it appear in the regular heading next day.
because 28th November the interim order will
Yes,
be
we can
expired.
as well. My lord had indicated it will appear on 21st November. So it has appeared today. Since my lord, the heading was perhaps not mentioned, to my lord's officer
I am
said,
keeping not today automatically next week.
well, let it appear under the proper heading, my lord. Unless my lord. Well, because it is appearing under
Contested application.
so that way, my lord, it can be taken up for hearing. It is ready for hearing matter, my lord.
Let this matter listed under heading hearing.
Contested.
Under heading.
Five, I am appearing for the petitioner in this matter. My lord, in this matter, there is a. Well, in this matter, this is a CRR arising from a this is a CRR arising from a complaint filed under section 129 of the Companies Act. My lord, the allegation is certain transactions in the accounts were not disclosed, and certain documents, rather the banknotes during the demonetization period, there is no disclosure of the SCN, specified cash credit notes. There is no specification. Now, on this basis, my lord, on the self same or rather identical complaint, this is complaint number 44 of 2019, on an identical complaint, as coordinate bench has already passed an order. And my lord, order copy ta আছে? Chaitanya,
On what ground that was quashed by the coordinate bench?
my lord will kindly take up my note. My lord, in my note, my lord comes to the second page. I have indicated there are 7 grounds on which I have raised that the complaint is not maintainable. My lord, the first ground is the person who has filed the, if my lord comes to this A page 2.
Yes, yes,
My lord, the first ground is the registrar has to accept the complaint or has to file the complaint or approve the complaint. Here, no such approval was shown, no such authority was given, and the deputy registrar, in violation of section 49(3)(2), had allowed the complaint or rather filed the complaint.
So
he
he
did
was
not have-
authorized person
No,
to
my
lodge
lord.
complaint.
No, my lord. He was not authorized to file the complaint. My lord, the second point is the company against whom, because my lord knows in company law, company is a legal entity, company has to be made a party. Only when the company is an accused and company is found to have done certain misdeeds, vicarious liability will be company and its directors.
Yes, yes.
Company is not made a party.
So only directors and
directors.
auditors.
Two directors and the auditor.
Auditor.
They were made
Company name
party.
was not
Third,
impli-
my lord. So, my lord, there
company
is
name was not implicated.
not
in the-
implemented. My lord, I can show it from the complaint itself. My lord, thereafter, my lord,
Who
one
is other side? Who is other
Well,
side?
they
Why?
my-
This matter has been fixed especially today.
Mr. Devopriya Gupta, who is out of station due to his some medical emergency, and so I'm praying for not to lordship.
my lord, he was here last week. He had agreed to this date.
In presence of other side, it was fixed today.
Indeed, my lord.
Because you have placed last occasion a judgment delivered by
My lord, this is the
coordinate bench.
judgment. Coordinate bench judgment, same
And
point.
that copy was also handed
Handed
over to the learned counsel for the opposite party. Medical ground.
My lord, 2018 onwards, this is pending. My lord, they don't turn up on one
Have
occasion.
you served this submission to him?
My lord, this note I have not. The judgment I had served yesterday only. Note also I am making
Let the copy be served to them.
here and now.
They,
My lord, the
they
note
will
is
reply on
my lord,
28th.
the note, my lord, the note is identical from the judgment. If my lord takes up the judgment,
Give him the one copy
I
to
have
him
given. I
so
have given
that
here and now.
he can apprise his senior.
Absolutely. My lord, paragraph 3 of this
I have
judgment.
gone through
all
the
the-
entire judgment.
My lord.
Now satisfy me.
Yes, my lord.
Maybe one coordinate may bench
Absolutely.
pass judgment. But I have to satisfy
Indeed, my
first.
lord. Indeed, my lord. But I will satisfy my lord. May I now take my lord through the respective complaint and everything? My
So
lord will
company was not made
not
party.
made a party.
That is your second ground.
That is my second
Now,
ground.
another ground is
My lord, the third ground is he has indicated that my lord, there are charges against some of the directors, but my lord, with regard to accounting, the charges would be against the auditor. The directors, here there is no mens rea, case of mens rea or guilty mind. No such case has been made out in respect of these accused.
So at this stage, Syria, everything I will
My lord,
decide.
even if my lord does not take that point, but the issue is there is no, if I am doing a mistake, I have to be identified where my mistake is. They have not identified.
Where is
Rather,
the complaint? Come to the complaint.
my lord. My lord, the complaint is at page 19.
And regarding authorization, one prayer was made here in paragraph 7. Dispense with.
No, my lord. Authorization, this authorization is with regard to attendance.
Complainant is a public servant.
My lord, kindly comes to the third. So this authorization is required that since he is a public servant, he may not be required to be present. My lord, if I may show, my lord, if I may read,
personal
that the
attendance,
complainant is a public servant. He is filing the complaint in his official capacity.
So with this
Again, the
complaint, there was no authorization or no
no authorization.
letter was attached.
No, my lord. And my lord, kindly comes to page 19. You will, my lord, will see represented through Vineet Rai, deputy registrar. So the registrar had to authorize him. The 49.3 says to 439 2 says that it is the registrar who is the person authorized.
Now, third ground, what is
My
the
lord,
third
the third ground is, as I
auditor
was
was-
indicating,
Yes.
there is no ground, there is no allegation or the misdeeds that one accused one or two has done any misdeed. No such ground is made out. It is an auditing mistake. I may make a mistake, but whether this mistake is the reason for my is the charge against me that I have done it with guilty mind, no such case made out. Now, my lord, the third point is fourth point is, my lord, that the particular circular in respect of which the specified note was required to be disclosed was for a period from November 2016 to March 2017. Now, my lord, this particular notification has only come out in 31st of March 2017. So, retrospective effect, I did not maintain any record. And that particular notification does not also indicate any civil or criminal consequence against any person who is unable to produce, because the notification came out later on. All those who had mentioned, they could have taken benefit, but in one of these companies there was no business, and that was disclosed. It was disclosed because there are two companies involved. Transaction from one company to the other company is alleged. This transaction had taken place more than 3-4 years back.
What is the reference of your case here?
My lord, I have prepared a compilation of all the judgments. All the judgments that I have referred to.
Sub copy to them or
My lord, the judgments are there. It is all reported
in,
judgments.
in the coordinate bench judgment also it was referred.
It is yes, my lord. Referred. All referred.
Now fourth ground.
My lord, my lord, I had indicated the fourth ground that this was retrospective effect, the notification.
Okay.
The fifth ground is, my lord, they have indicated that I have not complied with the accounting standards 18, which is at paragraph 3.2 of their complaint. Now, with regard to the accounting standards of 2000, accounting standards 18 to apply, my lord, I had to, if the transaction happened this year, I have to show. But from my previous annual balance sheets, it will come from 2015, 16, 16, 17.
The complaint was lodged.
My lord, this was lodged on 4th of
2019.
8. Yes, my lord, 18 letter 19 lodge complaint. So there is almost a delay of more than 3 years in finding this particular transaction which they are alleging, and there is no explanation how this limitation is going to be barred. There is a period of 1 year within which he has to file the complaint. Nothing.
The delay has not been explained.
No explanation. My lord takes up the complaint, no explanation.
Okay. Next, F.
So, my lord, then, my lord, they have said that there is profit and loss. The allegation against me is that I have made profit and loss and trade receivables, which I am handing over to my related party.
So you have concealed that amount.
Yes, this is the allegation, but I have not made any transaction. This transaction.
No details has been given in the complaint.
No details in the complaint. My lord takes up the complaint. No details in the complaint, and I have shown from my annual return that the amount is the same every year.
They have only complaint and
my lord will see in the complaint their specific allegation to this is at 3.2. Yes. Page 20 of the petition, my lord. 3.2. In the balance sheet as on 31st of March 2017, borrowings, unsecured borrowings being loans repayable on demand from related parties are shown as 80,000, 80 lakhs.
Yes, yes,
50.
I have gone
So
through.
this amount,
Ji,
but the
point-
company did not. So my lord, this amount was already there since 2015-16 balance sheet. If I did not, if I had a transaction in the last year, I did not show, then I am at fault.
Okay.
And my lord, my last ground is the person who has complained.
447 has not been.
Yes,
disclosed.
my lord, the person who has filed the complaint, that person is not present. He is no one. My lord, if I am a director, someone is an employee in my company, auditor, accountant gets to know and makes an allegation against me, I can understand. But this person is no one. He cannot know about my accounts. Only thing he can do is he can take it out from the records and make that allegation. Even if he is taking out from the records, I don't even know.
Without going through the
Records.
balance sheet or profit
Exactly,
and
my
loss
lord.
account or any account,
Indeed.
this complaint was made.
Yes, my lord. And by someone complete third party, he does not even know my balance sheet statements. He has been set up, my lord. My lord, 2 companies, 4 directors. One of them is a
Okay.
common director,
I will hear again other side. Thereafter, you reply.
and it has been dealt with. All these transactions points have been dealt with in this judgment.
Not in
Much of
part.
it. Much obliged, my lord.
It is leakage. Item number 6.
Yes.
This matter, your lordship
Do
earlier.
you have CD? Last occasion,
Yes,
you
yes.
are not there, no?
My lord, I prayed for quashing of a proceedings, my lord, under section 420, 468, 471, 34, and 120B of the Indian Penal Code, my lord. My lord, before proceeding of this case, my lord, I will say that some checkered history of this case, very short points. My lord, what has happened? My lord, originally the land by which this instant case has been registered, it was in the name of one Monica Borat. Monica Borat transferred the said land in favor of 2 persons, Aroti and Sama Prasad. Thereafter, Aroti and Sama Prasad, my lord, executed a power of attorney in favor of one Sottobroto, and on the basis of said power of attorney, the de facto complainant purchased the property from Sottobroto.
The registered power of attorney.
Registered power of attorney. During these proceedings, one title suit was filed by one of the Sebites of the property in question. The property actually Devattar property. It's a vast area.
So how Devattar property can be?
My lord, this is coming.
Can be
My lord, in the title suit filed by one of the Devattar, my lord, it has been declared that Monica Borat has no right to transfer any property in questions. He was the defendant in that suit. So therefore, my lord, all these transactions thereafter, my lord, is null and void. Now, my lord, Devabroto Ghosh, who, my lord, purchased this property from one of the, from the power of attorney holder of Shyama Prasad, he lodges this complaint. My lord, kindly comes to the written complaint first.
Who purchased the land? Who complained?
My lord.
She complained.
Complainant purchased the land.
She complained.
He complained, my lord.
Oh, he complained.
My lord, kindly comes to the written complaint. This is the certified copy. My lord, got it?
Yes.
After page 48, my lord, kindly comes 3-4 pages.
Yes, officer in charge, Vishnupur police.
Yes, my lord. The English written complaint, my lord. My lord, this is prayer for registration. I am not reading that portion. With due respect, I Devabroto Ghosh, such and such, being peace-loving, law-abiding citizen of India, beg to inform that one Srimati Monica Borat, while was the original owner and occupier of a Danga land measuring about such and such in area such and such, transferred the same in favor of one Samaprasad Nandi and Srimati Arati Nandi by virtue of registered deed of sale dated such and such, measuring about, all these thing has been given. Kindly skip over the said page. Kindly comes to the next page.
Name was also recorded in ROR.
ROR. That next paragraph, that on the strength of above power of attorney, the attorney.
This transaction was made in the year 1991.
My lord.
When
Lord,
the complaint was lodged?
This complaint was lodged, my lord, 2022. 24, sorry, my lord.
Yes.
6/4/2024. My lord, then kindly comes to the next paragraph. Page 2, third paragraph. That after prolonged litigation, I filed an appeal before the appellate authority
Before that, on the strength of power of attorney.
Yes, on the strength of power of attorney, the attorney transferred their right, title, and interest of the above referred properties in my favor by virtue of registered deed of sale dated such and such before the registered 2014 and delivered peaceful vacant possession of the said property to the undersigned, that immediately after the said above referred purchase, I applied for mutation of my name before the Land Reforms Authority in accordance with law, but the concerned authority refused to consider my application for long time with one plea and other pretext. Thereafter, my lord, then after prolonged litigation, I filed an appeal before the appellate authority, being RA case number such and such, in obedience to the leave granted by the Honorable High Court in WPLRT 16 of 2019. And after contested hearing and considering my entire documents evidence, the appellate authority directed the block land and land reform officer Vishnupur to rectify the record of rights by recording my name measuring about such and such in the mentioned suit plot by an order dated 1/11/2022. And from the said order, I came to know that the above referred accused persons, by practicing fraud and conspiracy in between them, submitted to mutation case before relying upon the fraudulent sale deed of Mukul Chatterjee. From this, my lord, the allegation comes, against the petition number 1.
Petitioner number 1 is
Mukul Chatterjee.
Mukul Chatterjee.
Now, the language fraudulent deed. Fraudulent sale deed of Mukul Chatterjee through said Mukul Chatterjee, though said Mukul Chatterjee was not the owner of the said land, but unlawfully transferred and recorded the same without any right, title, interest over the same. That the appellate authority also observed that the transferor Mukul Chatterjee transferred the suit court illegally, claiming to have got the same from Minal Chatterjee. Minal Chatterjee is the brother of Mukul Chatterjee, who is the petition number 2 before your lordship. But he was not the owner of the suit property. There is no registered deed of record of rights in the name of Minal Chatterjee. I shall show there is a record of rights. Although Mukul Chatterjee claimed that Minal Chatterjee transferred to him by virtue of a gift deed. So therefore, my lord, the Mukul Chatterjee received the land in question by virtue of a gift deed. It has been stated by the complainant itself. Subsequently, above mentioned Mukul Chatterjee fraudulently transferred in favor of above mentioned Sima Sen without any possession of the suit property. Thereafter, said Sima Sen illegally made an attempt to record her name in the record of rights and threatened me with
Sima was not made any accused.
No, she has not been charge sheeted also, Sima Sen. On physical possession of the said property, all the above referred accused person dishonestly converted the suit property, the suit property as their own property with a common intention and conspiracy between each other. This is the sum and substance of the complaint. Now, my lord, so far the sections are concerned, my lord, all the sections, if you watch it, my lord,
practicing fraud and conspiracy. What was the fraud?
My lord, that is my question, my lord. My lord, kindly consider the sections 463, 464, 468, 469. My lord, all these starts with, my lord, forgery. My lord, what is the definition of forgery, my lord?
No, do you have annexed your right title and
yes,
document?
Everything I have annexed.
You have annexed.
Yes, my lord.
What are those?
First, my lord, I shall show to your lordship. My lord, I, my lord, received this property by virtue of a deed of gift from my brother.
Minal, yes. And from where Minal
kindly comes to the Minal. Minal name duly featured in the record of rights. I have annexed the record of rights. Kindly comes.
LR. So on what basis LR was recorded?
My lord, if your lordship kindly takes pen to, kindly comes to page 26 once, my lord. This is the
26.
record of rights.
No, I have
Because
seen.
since it is a vast land, so many persons' name has been recorded due to the strength of my lord possessions, my lord. Dakhali Satto.
So only on the basis of
Yes, that's
possession
true,
you
my
are
lord. That's
claiming.
true, my lord.
Hmm.
I'm not denying on that, my lord. That's true. On the basis of record of rights, on the basis of my lord possessions, my lord, that property has been transferred by my brother to me by
So do
virtue
you
of a
have
deed of gift.
anything to show your possession?
By virtue of deed of gift, my lord, I am showing the deed of
No,
gift.
no, I am
This is not.
asking
This is
about
not full.
Minal. Minal.
Sorry.
I am asking
Yes,
about
yes, yes,
Minal.
yes, yes.
Minal
Madam, kindly comes to page 20.
got property
Yes, yes. Madam, kindly comes to page 20.
From Minal. Who got the property?
Minal.
No, first Mukul got the property
From
from
Minal.
Minal by way of gift deed.
My lord, I shall show the gift deed also.
Now you have to show Minal how Minal became a owner.
That is the that is
Only
to
your
be decided by
claim
the
is
civil
possession.
as regards to the possessions, my lord.
Is
My lord,
there
Minal,
any case pending regarding your adverse possession or
that is not pending.
title
But
suit?
my lord, so far the record of right is concerned, my lord. The RA appeal is pending, and my lord, before the Land Reforms and Tenancy Tribunal, one case is also pending where the my learned friend, that is de facto company, also participating.
How many cases are pending?
My lord, one civil suit has already been decreed.
Decreed in favor of?
Favor of the Devottor, my lord. It has been declared as a Devottor Sampatti. Therefore, my lord, the de facto complainant have a no right, my lord.
In
My
your
lord, that is to be decided by the civil court. That is not the subject matter of criminal case, my
can
lord.
you show from your Dan Patro or
My
gift
lord,
deed
yes, I have an ex.
that you were in possession and on the basis of
Dakhali
possession
Satto,
you
kindly comes
became
to
a
page
owner.
32.
32.
Yes.
Yes. Where you have mentioned that you are the possession
Yes,
from
yes, yes,
which
yes.
law?
My lord,
You are in possession.
Danpotro, my lord, kindly comes to page 32. Danpotro, my lord, last line, my lord. দানপত্র সম্পত্তির পরিমাণ such and such একর দখল সত্ত্ব.
Since when দখল সত্ত্ব?
From the record of rights, it is reflected. May I kindly see the record of rights I have annexed. Page 28, Minal Chatterjee's name featured in the record of rights.
What about the result of the WPLRT?
Still pending. Still pending.
Still pending.
Still pending. As regards to the correction of record of rights.
Regard to the correction of
record of
rights before the BLRO?
My lord, he will not get any order from there as because of the trial court has already decreed. My lord, when this came into picture, from there, my lord, he lost this criminal case, my lord, against us, my lord. And my lord, Sima Sen, who my lord received the property from Mukul Chatterjee, she is the best person to make a complaint. She has not, my lord, filed any complaint.
So now you have sold it already sold it to Sima.
Sima has not filed any
possession.
case. Sima has not filed any case.
Now Sima is in possession.
Sima is in possession in terms of the deed.
Yes.
I mean, I was in possession. Now third party is in possession. See, I have already transferred. Since the case is pending, that's why I am contesting in this.
He has also transferred.
If my large clients was possession, he ought to have
No. How you can file a complaint case
why not
with regard to a civil dispute?
Complete
You have completed now.
My lord, what more required, my lord? So far, the my lord sections are concerned, which has been, my lord, by which, my lord, I have been charge sheeted, my lord. My lord, 463, 464, 478, my lord, all starts with, my lord, forgery. My lord, what is the definition of forgery? That, my lord, so far, the my lord deeds are concerned. It has not been registered.
All the deeds were registered.
All the deeds are registered. My lord, all the attesting witnesses in the deed who are, my lord, made statement in 161, they stated, yes, I have signed. So therefore, my lord, the question of forgery does not arise at all. So far the sections are concerned, my lord.
He himself signed.
Yes.
Claiming himself as a owner.
Yes. And my lord, the attesting witnesses who signed in the deeds, my lord, they have also, my lord, stated that they signed.
Yes.
So there and all the deeds have been
the
proved that it is genuine one.
dispute is regarding title.
Title, but that is to be
and
decided,
possession.
that is to
will
be
be
decided
decided
civil court.
by the civil court.
Civil court and the LRT is also pending, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, initially, my lord, I have purchased the property.
No. Please come to the point.
Yes, I
please come to the point where criminal
my lord, on the observation
criminal activities done by him.
on the observation made by the district land and land reform officer while deciding the mutation case in the appellate stage. My lord, may I
He has decided that this is the forged document.
Yes, my lord. The district land and land reform officer
Can district and land officer can decide a title deed or deed, sale deed or gift deed is a forged one.
my lord, the initial, he is claiming, my lord, the title.
And even if initially, how you can say that this is a forged registered document?
Just a minute, my lord.
Presumption always goes in favor of the.
No, my lord. His claim is from the, my lord, gift deed. His gift deed is registered gift deed.
Yes.
By way, my learned friend claiming, my lord, the who has gifted the plot, my lord, his elder brother, my lord, who has no title on the of that land.
That's why I am telling you that here dispute is totally title possession. You are claiming I am the owner. He is claiming he is the owner. Now criminal court will decide.
No. Mukul Chatterjee got the property from the Minal Chatterjee. Minal Chatterjee gifted the property in favor of Mukul Chatterjee. How Minal Chatterjee got the property? He has no title.
He will answer before the civil court.
He has no title. How he can transfer?
Yes.
How he can mutate the?
Anything else?
How kindly have a look?
Is there any forgery? What allegation you have made forgery?
The Minal Chatterjee by fraudulently by practicing
Fraudulently practice.
How he mutated his name? How he mutated his name?
Anything else? Anything else?
Nothing, Malati. On the basis of Malati, well, kindly have a look at the order passed by the district land and land reform officer.
That is also pending for the LRTT, challenging that. Yes.
Now,
So I can
please tell me, a DLRO, BLRO, or a subdivisional officer can decide whether this document is forged. How he can?
The documents, the gift deed is not is under challenge. Challenge is the title of the Mukul.
The title will decide by the
authority.
BLRO.
The BLRO and DLRO is the competent authority to.
They will decide the title and
they examine the veracity of the record of rights.
Yes, please.
How he recorded his name before the land reform authority.
Yes.
Report submitted by the BLRO.
He is not the witness in the charge sheet.
So LR record is forged one.
For that purpose,
He is not the party. How the LR record can said to be a forged?
No. BLRO given a report that whatever you document produce LR record, you are claiming your possession by way of
Deed of
LR
gift.
record.
No, Milord. That is Minal Chatterjee, not Milord. Petition number 1. Milord, kindly consider two petitioner before your lordships, Milord.
Conspiracy where comes?
Milord, how it comes? Milord, if somebody, Milord, names has
your brother.
Milord, somebody
is not third party.
Milord, if somebody's name registered in the record of rights,
yes.
Milord, whether BLRO filed any case, Milord, and BLRO is not the Milord witness in the charge sheet also, Milord. Why he has not placed?
If the origin is false,
Milord, kindly see, Milord,
everything will come to the.
Milord, origin is title should be, Milord. Kindly consider.
No.
Yes.
Your possession you are claiming by way of a record of rights. Record of rights is not a title deed.
That is Milord Minal Chatterjee, Milord.
Record of right is only show the possession.
Yes.
You are claiming on the basis of possession.
Yes.
Since long. So that document itself is found forged.
Milord, which document, Milord? Kindly consider, Milord, these aspects, Milord. Milord, this is not my documents, Milord. Milord, I have annexed the record of rights, Milord. While, Milord, deciding the anticipated bail application by the learned district judge, Milord, what district judge opined, that is also, Milord, I have annexed.
Yes. Charge sheet has been submitted.
Yes, charge sheet submitted. BLRO is not made party. Milord, the person who in whose favor the land has been transferred, he has been non-charge sheeted.
No. Conspiracy comes.
Well, 120 becomes on the basis of, what is the forgery, my lord? Kindly consider.
Your forgery is you have manufactured the LR record.
No, my lord, this
You
is,
have forged the
my lord,
LR.
this is not the case. This is all, this is,
You have received the charge sheet.
yes.
You have received this copy. You have sub. Now it is BLRO report.
My lord, that is pending before the land use tribunal.
That the main record. There is no name of Minal.
Well, that is still pending before the land use tribunal. I can show on documents, my
There is
lord.
no need. There is no
Well,
need.
that is required, my lord, as
If
because
the government document shows your name is not recorded and you are showing this is
well,
a LR record.
I can show the original record of rights, my lord, the certified copy of the original record of rights, how the BLRO can
Where
say,
is
my lord, I
that?
have that documents, my lord.
Where is that?
Yes, my lord, I have that documents. Simply at the stage of investigation, this document has been shown. Also, the BLRO has not made, my lord,
Yes, what is your
witness to these
contention?
proceedings.
Only on this. Any other? Any?
And so
No,
far the
no,
state, well, statement I can show before your
certified
lordship.
copy issued by the BLRO. Yes.
Yes, yes.
He is claiming.
Yes, my lord, I can show the original also, my lord.
Where is certified copy?
Just a minute, my lord.
Even certified copy may be a forged.
Well, in that event, my lord, BLRO has to file a case, my lord. My lord,
Definitely.
by saying, my lord, it cannot say to be, it is a forged, my lord.
Somebody will also involve.
My
The
lord,
government
let-
officials are also involved. There are so many.
My lord, if BLRO has prepared the, my lord, record of rights, it is coming from their office, my lord.
Please show
My
me
lord,
the
this is-
certified copy.
My lord, original certified copy, my lord, I have the Xerox one, my lord, the entire set.
No, no, certified copy.
My lord, if your lordship, I can produce the original certified copy, no issue, my lord. This is it is original certified copy obtained, my lord, 2014, my lord. 2014.
So you annexed your certified copy on the
Yes, yes.
Before that,
file supplementary affidavit
My lord,
on Wednesday.
before
My lord,
that, on a
on-
land
my lord,
was
Xerox, just a minute. Xerox copy, my lord, I have, my lord, annexed.
Xerox copy I will not
Xerox
rely.
copy of the record
I
of
will
rights.
not rely. I
If
will
your
rely
lordship
on
directs
the-
me, I can, my lord, annex the original certificate copy, no issue, my lord. 2014 original copy,
Why-
Well, before
Yes.
that, one of the land was recorded in the name of
I have
Bharatiya.
heard you. I have already
How
heard you.
one of the mutated their
What
name?
is the answer of this certified copy issued by BLRO? At the same time, he is. Let him produce first.
Yes, yes, I shall produce original, my lord. I have the original.
You
Yes,
produce
yes, I
when
have the
you have-
original.
When you have obtained the certified copy.
Yes, yes, 2014.
And you file supplementary
Yes, yes,
affidavit,
yes,
I
yes.
will ask for report.
Yes, yes, my lord. I have that, I have seen, my lord. I have seen, my lord. I have, my lord, returned
Because
it.
we will rely on the document of the government officials. Once he is saying this is a forged, now he is also issuing a certified copy. How it could be?
Exactly, my lord.
So I will call for a report. Acha,
I shall produce the original.
রিপোর্টটা দিয়েছে রিপোর্টটা দিলে ওটা কপিটা কপিটা যেটা আপনি দিলেন আছে
তো লাগবে না, সিডি রিটার্ন করে দিন, সিডি রিটার্ন, সিডি রিটার্ন লেখো ওখানে, সিডি রিটার্ন, and CD be produced on the urgent date. Yes, item number?
Especially seven mandate.
These
I
are
have
the-
filed an application for extension and lordship, my PID is it, lordship fix a day.
Now, why it is fixed as especially?
Alright,
Why it is fixed under heading especially?
no,
fixed matter?
always appearing, not as extension. Always appearing, it should
There
be
is some only extension.
an extension.
What is the main matter?
The main matter is, it will take some time, lordship fix any date, and I will pressure.
No.
Both are valid.
Please move your main application. Only extension 2016 matter.
That is one of the last annexure. There is a Honorable High Court order. That is at page 57. First, there is one person identifying that I am Kedar Sheikh. Actually, he is
What?
not Kedar Sheikh.
Yes.
One person is identifying himself, false personation, that he is telling I am Kedar Sheikh, accused.
Okay.
But his brother Adi Sheikh is coming and saying I am Kedar Sheikh. That is the problem. The Honorable High Court directed to take the signature proof, LTI proof from the records of the court. That is not doing by they are not following the order of the Honorable High Court. Our prayer is, let them follow the order of the Honorable.
No, what you have challenged in this
That is,
national application order? You have challenged the order.
Yes, my lord, yes.
Which order?
That is last annexure, my lord.
10/5/2016.
10 May 2016.
They have passed the order without following the order of the Honorable High Court. That is at page 124. False personation and also, my lord, it is accepted in the report of the state. State has filed a report. That is also they have accepted that there is a case of false personation. Actually, what happened, my lord? Kedar Sheikh is
Not assisting the court.
We are assisting. Court is what is doing. Court's Honorable High Court directed you take your initiative. Court directed the court to initiative to bring the records from the civil court.
No, here is
That is not correct.
who is
My
the
lord.
de facto complainant?
Then, my lord,
Who is the de facto complainant?
Yes, my lord.
Who is the de facto complainant? You are the de facto
Yes,
complainant. So the court has directed you
The
to
de facto
supply
complainant
the
is from the
documents.
government.
Why you are not
De
supplying?
facto complainant is the government officials.
Huh?
Government officials, they are
Yeah.
beaten up in the court directed to take the possession of the land as per partition suit direct. He was beaten up in the area, my lord. As per that, my lord, the learned judge directed you file the case. And then they filed the case, we have the witness. And losses can come to on the page 124, it starts. Honorable High Court, we are, our prayer is only that you follow the order of the Honorable High Court, nothing more.
Earlier revisional
Only that is
application
we are
fi-
asking.
I am asking you another
We are-
revisional
Honorable
application
High
had
Court
been filed
directed-
earlier.
My lord,
Earlier another application filed that was disposed of by this court.
yes, my lord. Yes. And
What
that
was the direction? Where is that?
direction, my losses can come to page 124.
Page 124.
Also, there is another 124.
124.
My lord. 124, it is concluded in 120.
This revisional application was challenged by whom?
My lord, that is myself,
By
myself, my lord. I am.
Jainal Abedin.
He died, my lord. Now his
You
son.
are the de facto complainant.
Yes.
Okay.
And also government officials who are beaten up. I was also there. I was also beaten up during the court appointed.
You are the
officers.
government official.
I am not. The government officials is others. I am also there.
What
because
is the allegation?
my allegation, the partition suit, there is a final degree, and the court sent the officers to take the possession and the measurement, everything. Then mala we all of we are beaten up. Assaulted, beaten up, everything. Then we reported to the court, civil court. Civil court directed you file the case. And as per that direction, we filed the case. Now losses can come to page 124. Lastly said, one person is coming, Keda Sheikh. He is actually what happened, he joined in police service.
Please wait, please wait.
The relevant page passed by this honorable court is 126.
126. Which paragraph?
My lord, last paragraph, if my lord may kindly say.
Beat me.
My lord.
May I read it, my lord?
Wait. Yes. So High Court directed the trial court to collect the document from the civil court record.
Yes, that is not done.
That was not done, that was rejected.
That, my lord, therefore he stands all this expert from the opinion and
Whether in trial
he
court,
come to the conclusion. The
is
duty
there any document lying in the civil court?
Yes, my
record?
lord, civil court, and he was arrested. His LTI is there, signature is there.
The original record is lying in
In the court, my lord, in the court. And my lord, this honorable High Court directed the duty is not cast on the court.
now cast on the court,
on
not to the
court,
parties.
not to
Therefore,
the
order
parties.
cannot be
And he's
stand and set aside. Okay. Now, what is the order of the
my lord,
trial
losses, if you losses kindly see
Please,
this.
please wait, please.
My
wait.
lord,
You are appearing for state.
we have submitted these parties, we have filed a
You have challenged the order dated 10th May
2016.
2016. Okay.
My lord, my submission is
Wait,
my Paris.
please wait.
My lord, my lord.
Why you are not supplying the civil court suit number?
Yes, we have supplied.
Where is that?
My lord, that we have
No, where
supplied.
is that?
My lord, we have supplied.
The trial court has directed the de facto complainant to supply this court with information regarding the number of
We
civil
have
suits.
given everything assignment is
Where,
your
where, you have,
court passed the order.
where you have supplied? Show us. Show me.
My lord, I will show my lord, like
Where you have indicated the civil suit number. How the trial court can collect the document from the record without 76.
Annexure F2.
Annexure F2.
Page 76.
Where is the case number? Serial number 1.
here case number 428.
Here case number 428 of 2000.
Everything. Criminal case, civil case, every documents are given.
You have also annexed the documents of those cases.
Yes, all civil and criminal both cases.
Where is the case number?
Case number.
Where is the case number?
Case number.
Clear case number 428 of 2000, my lord, before the learned ACJM. Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Katwa.
Case number key.
PR 428 of.
No, I am asking about the civil suit.
My lord, civil suit, they have made a firisty of that. They have made a.
Where is that case
page
number?
76. Page 76, my lord.
Serial number?
Serial number 1, my lord.
What is the case number? Tell me the case number. Huh?
চোকো কাওটা সহকারী জেলা জজ আদালতে 2004 নম্বর সাথে জরুরি মোকদ্দমার order.
Case number is required, title, suit, or what is there is nothing mentioned.
Yes, my lord, mention, my lord. জেলা জজ আদালতে
Nothing mentioned.
জারি মোকদ্দমা অর্ডারের
Only 2000/2008. That is sufficient. How it can be traced out without naming the number?
next one also, my lord.
Yes. That is also incomplete number.
আদালতের
No, that is also incomplete number. Adalate 2002-2016. What is the case?
সিভিল ডিভিশন মোকদ্দমা
It is written চৌকি কাটোয়া অতিরিক্ত জেলা জজ আদালতে 2002/16 নম্বর সিভিল ডিভিশনের মোকদ্দমার অরিজিনাল কপি।
Original copy কি?
documents is given along with this.
কি original copy কি এটা?
দেখেন কি এটা তারপর কি স্যার 3
Original
ফর্দ
copy 3
ফর্দ my lord ফর্দ
certified copy. My lord is then my lord side certified. Minimum parish copy certified.
চৌকি কাটোয়া
When you have filed this application? This 77.
If your lawsuit direct me to file press, we are ready to do it. Even then, we are ready to do it.
Yes.
And the court directed, my lord.
Anything else?
I
Case number you supply.
My lord.
You supply the case number, and if original document is available in the case record, then okay. Otherwise, you have to supply the original.
Yes, but I will supply.
Otherwise, it is not possible to compare the
My lord, let them compare the
signature.
order of the Honorable High Court. That is page 124.
126.
124. Only in that whether the order of the Honorable High Court.
Yes, I
124 is start.
the instant revisional application. Now today any extension is expired. Is any interim order is expiring today? So on that day you mention.
Yes, please.
Okay, on that day I will take up that matter.
Item number 66.
Not today.
I don't.
All the matter generally I do not allow. Who is appearing for the petitioner?
No, I'm there. I'm ready.
What is the matter about?
My lord, the matter is very short. Essentially, a commercial disputes relating to 406, 420. Now, my lord, the de facto complaint says that I had booked a particular
Who is
flat.
appearing for the opposite party
My
number
lord,
2?
de facto is not appearing because, my lord, on the last occasion when the matter had come up, your lordship, in fact, there's a change brief. Your lordship had only indicated that since the de facto was
No, no.
already served,
There was a direction to serve the
only upon the state.
constitutional application upon the state
Yes, my
and
lord.
file whether
My
you
lord.
have served.
No, that has been served. They are appearing.
Where is the appearing? Okay.
That yes.
Non-appear on behalf of the opposite party. Do you have CD?
Lordship, he has not come, your lordship.
Okay.
He's on his legs before. I'm just praying for a day's adjournment, your lordship. Keep it on Wednesday.
So opposite party is also required.
My lord, on the last occasion I had addressed your lordship on this. Your lordship had indicated what had fallen from your lordship was he was previously served on more than one occasion. So your lordship said that no more required. You address me and serve upon the state. If my lord desires, I am
Challenge the FIR. No charge sheet has been submitted as yet.
because my lord wanted to see the report as well. That was your lordship's intention as well to see what is the stage of the
Is
proceeding.
there any interim order in this case?
There
No.
was an interim order.
There was.
There was, my lord. Now I believe there is no interim order.
So
No, not that I
charge
believe.
sheet has been
Certain.
submitted, then you go before the trial court.
I have the memo of evidence, your lordship. Charge sheet has been submitted in this case.
Then my lord, we will file a supplementary, my lord, before your lordship. We'll
This is the memo. of
Commercial
evidence, your
dispute. What is the
lordship.
commercial dispute?
My lord, would kindly see the FIR for a moment. The FIR speaks like this, goes like this, that on the basis of some instrument, not a registered instrument, certain amounts were paid to the husband of the accused number 3, who supposedly had taken the money, showing us that
Please come to.
My lord.
Achha, today I am adjourning because
Yes, sir.
accommodation is sought from the side of.
It is submitted as per the memo of evidence.
Okay.
My lord would kindly adjourn it
Not
for 2
today.
weeks.
Simply
In the
not
meantime,
today.
my lord, we'll just file a supplementary because my lord,
What's up?
bringing on record the charge sheet, my lord.
Charge sheet has been submitted. No?
That's what I gather. So my lord, we'll have to take, my lord will also have to take that into account.
Okay.
Item number 67.
My lord, I am here with the petitioner, my lord. I talked to my client yesterday, my lord. Some instruction needed from my client, my lord.
What you have talked with the client and on further
Lord, it's
instruction?
changed, my lord. Kindly, my lord, praying for 2 weeks adjournment, my lord. Kindly consider.
The petitioner and an opposite party was solved. Nobody is there. You are appearing for
Petitioner, my lord.
petitioner. Criminal appeal. That was 138.
Then the state is not required.
What is the case?
My lord, I have no brief is not with me, my lord. Kindly.
From the report submitted by assistant registrar, one 38. Next
68. 69.
No, din na recording. Administrative notice service code. Huh? None appears on behalf of either of the parties. Administrative notice is our personal করে দিলে ওরা personal appeared through Government Council. Next
69.
Yes, আসুন। Dismiss for default. Second time, none appears on. Connected application, interim order, if any, is vacated. Let a copy of this order be communicated to the learned clerk.